Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see your algorithm on Instagram, how to customize your algorithm or how to build it by yourself. So basically this is the new feature that Instagram has in the newest update, so you need to update your app to see this feature on the application. So first of all, to edit and see our algorithm on our Reels feed, we need to go to the Instagram, and here we need to go to the Reels, clicking on the Reels button in the bottom side of the screen. So as you can see, I have my Reels feed, and in the top right corner I have now a little button with two little hearts. So this is basically what we need. Here we can see our algorithm. So AI summarizes in the top side of the screen and describes what your algorithm is about now. So in my case, it is about high fashion inspiration, budding social commentary, and winter outdoor escapades. So basically this is my algorithm. You can customize your algorithm how you want. So basically, as you can see, AI summarized some words that describe my algorithm. So for example, fashion model, satire, snowy adventures. I can add some words if I want. So for example, I want to some snowboarding. I want to see some snowboarding on my feed as well. So I just type here snowboarding. I can I want to also see some sports like football if I want on my feed. You can just type simply words, and reels that are connected to these words will appear on your Reels feed. Moreover, you can get rid of some reels that you don't want to see on your feed. So for example, you always see feeds with the ASMR, so I don't want to see ASMR anymore, so I'll just type here ASMR under the what you want to see less of, and I will see less of ASMRs on my feed. Moreover, in the top right corner of the screen you have some three dots. If you click on it, you can see these four options. So if you click on the political content, first of all, you can customize this option as well. So if I don't want to see any of the political content on my feed, I can just turn off this button. Then go back, click on the three dots once again, go to the sensitive content, and here you can customize sensitive content as well. As you can see, in my case it is set to standard, so I see some sensitive content on my feed. If I don't want to see any of this, I can go for the less, or if I want to see more, I can choose more if I want. Now go back, click on the three dots once again, and go to more content preferences. Here as well you can customize all these things. You can see some sort of reels that you selected that you are interested in. As well, you can see what reels you are not interested in that you mentioned earlier. Some specific words and phrases, if you click, you can just simply type here some items by commas, separated by commas, to basically add words and phrases that you don't want to see. And of course you can add some snooze suggested posts. So for example, you can hide suggested posts in feed for 30 days. You can turn this on or turn this off. And the last option is reset suggested content, so you can reset your Reels feed completely if you want. Now if you go back, you will see the little button in the bottom side of the screen, build your 2026 algorithm. So if you are done customizing your algorithm, you can just go and click on build your 2026 algorithm, and here is the summary. You can just choose what you want to see on your 2026 algorithm. As you can see, in 2026 you want to see more snowboarding, luxury fashion, etc., and go and add to your story. And that is how you can build your 2026 algorithm and customize it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.